Good morning, students. I am Bharti from Gyaniketan Girls School. Today, in this video, I am going to present some multiple choice questions from chapter 4 titled The Kingdom of Fools from your supplementary reader book Moments. I hope that this video will help you in your revision work. Let us start. Question number 1. What kind of a story is this? Options are A folk tale, B, a mock tale, C, humorous story, D, a serious story. And the correct answer is a folk tale. Question number 2. What does this story throw light upon? Your options are A, always be happy, option B, wise people, C, kings and their ministers, and D, foolish people and the dangers they pose. And the correct option is D, foolish people and the dangers they pose. Question number 3. What is the theme of this story? Options A, foolish people are unpredictable and dangerous. Option B, gurus are wise. C, have good friends. D, kings are dangerous. And the correct option is A, foolish people are unpredictable and dangerous. Question number 4. Why are the people in the kingdom called foolish? Options A, because they follow all the ridiculous orders passed by the king. Option B, because they listen to their king. C, because they do silly things. And D, because they are foolish. And the correct option is A, because they follow all the ridiculous orders passed by their king. Question number 5. What is the message of the story? Options A, be wise and stay away from foolish people. B, listen to the kings. C, kings are fool. And D, none of these. And the correct option is A, be wise and stay away from foolish people. Question number 6. Who broke into the merchant's house? Options A, king, B, silly minister, C, disciple, and D, a thief. And the correct option is D, a thief. Question number 7. How did the thief enter the merchant's house? The options A, jumping over the wall, B, from the back door, C, by making a hole into the wall, and D, none of these. And the correct option is by making a hole into the wall. Question number 8. Who was made the new king after the previous king's execution? And the options are A, the guru, B, the disciple, C, the king's minister, and D, the king's son. And the correct option is A, the guru. Question number 9. It was decided to hang the disciple in place of the merchant because options A, he was the real culprit, B, he had not followed his guru's advice, C, he was living in the town illegally, D, he was fat enough to fit the stake. And the correct option is D, he was fat enough to fit the stake. Question number 10. The bricklayer said that he couldn't build the wall right because options A dancing girl kept looking at him all day. Option B, a dancing girl kept talking to him all day. C, a dancing girl kept going up and down the street all day. And D, he couldn't keep his eyes and mind on the wall due to the jingling anklets of a dancing girl who kept going up and down the street all day. And the correct option is D. He couldn't keep his eyes and mind on the wall due to the jingling of anklets of a dancing girl who kept going up and down the street all day. Now we come to question number 11. Who did the bricklayer hold responsible for making a weak wall? The options A, the rich merchant, B, the dancing girl, C, the disciple, D, the minister. And the correct option is B, the dancing girl. Question number 12. Who was someone next to the rich merchant? The options are A, the dancer, B, the disciple, C, the goldsmith, and D, the bricklayer. and the correct option is the bricklayer. Question number 13. Who did the king summon for the first time? The options: A. The disciple, B. The thief's brother, C. The merchant, and D. The mason. And the correct option is C. The merchant. Question number 14. After the thief's death, who ran to the king for justice? Options: first option A. The thief's brother, B. The merchant, C. The disciple, and the fourth option D. The mason. And the correct answer is A. The thief's brother. Question number 15. How did the Guru save the people of the kingdom? The options are: A. By flattering the king, B. Making the king believe that the new stake will bring fortune, C. By helping the kingdom get rid of the foolish king and his silly minister, D. All of these. And the correct option is D. Question number 16. How were the people made to obey the king's orders? A. By threatening to kill, B. By speaking to them, C. By showing them sword, and D. None of these. And the correct option is A. By threatening to kill. Question number 17. What did the Guru and his disciple find at the grocery shop? The options are: A. Many beautiful things, B. Same price for all the things, C. Dudu, and D. None of these. And the correct option is B. Same price for all the things. Question number 18. Why was the Guru initially happy? The options: A. Because of the capacity of buying all the things at a nominal price, B. Because of the changed systems, C. Because of the foolish people, and D. All of these. And the correct option is A. Because of the capacity of buying all the things at a nominal price. Question number 19. Why did the Guru decide to leave the place? The options: A. Because of some urgent work, B. He had a message to leave the place, option C. King ordered to leave the place, and D. Because he thought that it was not safe to be with fools for a long time. And your correct answer is D. Because he thought that it was not safe to be with fools for a long time. Now we come to the last question, question number 20. The king said that the merchant had inherited, option A, his father's riches, B, his father's sins, C, his father's riches as well as his sins, and D, none of these. And the correct option is C, his father's riches as well as his sins. With this, we come to the end of the session. Thank you.